Very happy evening to each and everyone. I hope you are able to hear me properly. Sorry for the inconvenience. There was an audio sync issue. Kindly reply if you are able to hear the audio very well. Very happy evening to each and everyone. Let me check in my mobile, then I will get into the class. There was an audio sync issue. Kindly reply. Right, audio is very clear. Very happy evening. After a long time we are meeting. There was this UPSC CSAT paper which was conducted on Sunday. A lot of students kept on messaging me, sir, there were a lot of questions which came from whatever you told us in our CSAT batch. Can you please solve this paper in your Anil Nair's way? So today we are going to discuss UPSC Prelims 2025. 2 sessions I will take, CSAT, Max and Reasoning. Max I will take one separate session, Reasoning I will take separate sessions. Max, most of the questions, it's all about your smartness in selecting the easy questions. If you go behind that questions which you think they are solvable, but it is time consuming, thereby you will lose your chances. CSAT UPSC Prelims 2025 paper, we will try to solve it in Anil Nair's way. Anil Nair's way is an easy, simple and fastest way to solve a max problem. Most of the solutions whatever I am discussing, you will not find in any of the regular textbook. Kindly sit in the class with a notebook and a pen. In case if you are preparing for bank, SSC or any other aptitude examination, probably this session will teach you how in mathematics logical questions are asked. Civil services is one of the probably the most coveted examination in India. Since most of the non-max students also will write the examination, they tend to not to give an formula based question. Most of the questions are very logical questions. Most of the questions are very conceptual questions that you will understand when I am solving the problem. Very interesting problems are there. What we will do is, if I am a student attempting this examination, how I will do pick and choose questions. That is the strategy which I will teach you, so that the students who are writing other competitive examination, it will help you. This is something which we are going to discuss. In case if you are somebody who is preparing for many examination and you want a combo 3-in-1 package where arithmetic, reasoning and pure maths. Sir, these are the 3 topics which I am struggling a lot and I want a combo 3-in-1 pack. We have a combo 3-in-1 pack. 3 courses in 1 course. What are the 3 courses? Arithmetic course, reasoning course and pure maths course. There are a lot of students these days, especially from the last 1 year, a lot of students are calling me and asking, sir, we want your maths course and we want that course from basic level to advanced level. We want that course which will cover almost all the examination. Please include moderate to difficult level questions. This is a premium course. Right now in our Anil Nair classes app, maximum purchases are happening from this course. It is a special magical max course, premium updated content. Unlike in combo 3-in-1 course or any other course, here the level of questions, here the level of content that will be there, it will be a moderate to difficult. If you buy this course, you can prepare for any competitive examination in India. Must and buy course for the students who are struggling in maths students, especially during this summer batch. A lot of students purchased these maths because SSC CGL calendar is out and you will see a lot of bank examination notifications coming out. This batch, there are 2,500 plus solved problems. Let me tell you what is the content. 2,500 plus solved problems, 750 plus concepts, 500 plus shortcuts are there and 5,000 plus practice questions are also there. A lot of new updated content you will find in this course. This course for you to complete, it takes about 7 to 8 months, right? In case if you go with a faster speed of 4 hours of every day, I am assuming 2.5 hours if you study, it takes 8 months. If you increase it by another 1 hour, 3.5 to 4 hours, aram say 6 months validity, you can complete this course. Max premium content from a basic level to advanced level, and this course is completely in English medium, and you will also, in case if you want these course in Telugu medium also, we will try to introduce another thing. A lot of English medium students will buy this course. This is a CAT course. CAT exam happens on the last Sunday of November. You know that most of the students who prepare with Anil Nair classes, CAT is the #1 course which we are selling it in southern part of India. These are the complete CAT related course details are there. Almost we are there in the end of May. We have June, July, August, September, October, November, followed by XAT, IIFT, NMAT, SNAP, so on and so forth. So therefore this course is an 8 months validity course. In case if you are preparing for CAT examination, go for this CAT course. In case if you want combo pack, go for the combo 3-in-1 course. In case if you want exclusive max premium content, you can go for the max premium content. Now today, what is the topic of our discussion? Right, we are going to discuss CSAT Max 2025 paper solved in Anil Nair's way. Each and every question we will try to analyze it. We will try to make it very, very simple. I would request each and every student to sit in the class with a notebook and a pen. To sit in the class with a notebook and a pen. Kindly make a note of the concept, whatever I am discussing. Whatever I am discussing, kindly make a note of the concept in your notebook. These concepts only will help you to maximize your attempts. Concept at the rate of notebook. And in case if something is not clear to you, kindly watch this video, replay this video as many times as possible. Replay the video as many times as possible. Very good paper. That is the reason I am taking an exclusive live class to cover as many questions as possible. Beautiful questions, and most of the questions are non-formulae based questions, logical questions and conceptual questions. Straight away we will get into the class. Now the first question is based on, I will also write the topic. First question is based on trains. First question is based on trains. Wherever there is an important keyword, I will underline that keyword, because if you miss that keyword, you will not be able to solve that problem. A train overtakes 2 persons. A train overtakes, right? A train overtakes 2 persons. When do you overtake a person? Somebody is riding a bicycle, you are going in the same direction, therefore you will overtake that person. When I say overtake, when you say overtake, that means the train and the person are moving in the same direction, That is the keyword in this question. Overtake means same direction. When do you overtake somebody? When you both are going in the same direction. When do you meet somebody? Somebody is coming in the opposite direction. You are going in this direction. You see that person and you meet that person and say hi. That means whenever there is a meeting, you meet each other. Whenever you meet each other, that means they are moving in the opposite direction. Whenever you are meeting somebody, that means you and your friend are moving in the opposite direction. You and your friend are moving in the opposite direction. These two key points are very, very important. Otherwise, you will get confused with whether it is the same direction or a opposite direction. This is a train. A train overtakes 2 persons. There is a train, it seems. Okay, let us draw a train. A train is overtaking. Overtaking means the same direction. A train is overtaking 2 persons. One person, in the question it is given as X. Another person, it is given as Y. So, a train and a person X are moving in the same direction. Train and a person Y, they are moving in the same direction. That point should be very, very clear to you. train and two persons X and Y, they are moving in the same direction. Train and two persons X and Y are moving in the same direction, right? Length of the train is huge, right? Height of the person is more. So these length is negligible when these two bodies are moving in the same direction, right? What will be the concept? Concept will be they both are moving in the same direction. Relative speed will be a subtraction of speed. What it is given? Speed overtakes two persons walking at an average speed of 3 kilometers per hour and 4 kilometers per hour, right? What is the length? And completely passes them. Speed is, relative speed is equivalent to distance by time. Since both the parties are moving in the same direction with some speed, instead of speed I called it as relative speed. This question uses the concept of speed is equivalent to distance by time. First, train with the person X. Train speed I don't know. Yes, right? X person is walking at a speed of 3 kilometers per hour. This is S and it is 3. They both are moving in the same direction. So it is S minus 3. S minus 3 is the relative speed of train with person X. Relative speed of train is S. Speed of person X is 3. Relative speed of train and person X is S minus 3. S minus 3. This value is in kilometers per hour. But answer is in meters. Another concept which we require is 1 kilometer per hour is 5 by 18 meter per second. 5 by 18 meter per second. Sir, how did you get 5 by 18 meter per second? 1 kilometer is 3600 meters. 1 hour is 60 minutes. 1 minute is 60 seconds. So 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel, right? So it is 1 hour is 1000 meters. 10 divided by 36. It is 5 by 18 meter per second. To convert kilometers per hour into meter per second, we need to do, right? Multiply it with 5 by 18. This is something most of you know it, but I am explaining it in detail. 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. 1 hour is 60 minutes. 1 minute is 60 seconds. So it is 5 by 18. Question is given in kilometers per hour. Answer is given in meters. So I am multiplying it with into 5 by 18. Distance covered will be equivalent to the length of the train. Length of the train I don't know, L. How much time it has taken to overtake? It has taken to overtake in 8 seconds. I hope the first equation it is very much clear. Speed is equivalent to distance by time. Since train and person X are overtaking, train is overtaking person X. That means they are moving in the same direction. If two bodies move in the same direction, it is relative speed is subtraction. S minus 3 into 5 by 18 is L by 8. Similarly, train is also overtaking second person Y. What is the speed? 4. S minus 4. It is in kilometers per hour. So it is into 5 by 18 and it is overtaking it in 9 seconds. Equation 1 and equation 2. I hope the idea it is very much clear. So if I divide this with this, this will become S minus 3 divided by S minus 4 is equivalent to L by 8 by L by 9. 5 by 18, 5 by 18 will get cancelled. S minus 3 by S minus 4 is 9 by 8. 9 by 8. Cross multiplication, you will get the value of S. 8s minus 24 is equivalent to 9s minus 36. S is equivalent to 12. S is equivalent to 12. What do we require? Length of the train we require. Substitution here, 12 minus 3 is 9. 9 into 5 by 18 is equivalent to L by 8. 9 ones are 9 twos are 2 fours are. L is equivalent to 20 meters. L is equivalent to 20 meters. L is equivalent to 20 meters. Is this an easy question? It's a very simple, easy question. If you ask me, this is something which is solvable. Every student who probably has written this examination, this question is a solvable question. No trick is there, nothing it is there. Only two concepts you require. Overtaking means same direction, first point. Second point is input it is in kilometers per hour. Answer should be in meters per second multiplied by 5 by 18. No complex calculations are there. Easy, right? Values are also easy. Calculation is also easy. This is something every student should have solved this question. First question, answer for this question is 20 meters. Answer for this question is 20 meters. Second question, probably the easiest question. Easiest question. This is something which will be taught by many of your teachers in your speed calculation class, which is the first class of your right number system. Very easy question. This is something definitely you should have. This takes hardly less than 10 seconds to solve the question. Hardly less than 10 seconds to solve the question, right? First we will discuss the concept. Concept it is. Concept. If you see here, listen carefully, sir. 11 whole square it is. How many ones are there in 11? 2. Write down the natural numbers till 2 and come back to 1. And come back to 1. Suppose if it is 3. 111 whole square. How many ones are there? 3 ones are there. So write down the natural numbers till 3 and come back to 1. And come back to 1. Suppose if write 4 ones are there, what will be the answer? If 4 ones are there, answer will be write down up to 4 and come back to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Similarly, write if 9 ones are there, 9 ones are there, what will be the answer? 9 ones answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, come back to 1. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I hope the idea it is clear. I hope the concept it is clear. That means answer for this question is, how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. How many digits answer contains? Answer contains 9 digits. Answer contains 9 digits. This is method 1. This is method 1. I am sure each and every video which you have seen related to CSAT paper, they might have solved like this. They might have solved like this. N square is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Till 9 ones are there. 1 to 9 is there and coming back to 1. So answer for this question is 9 ones. How many digits are there? 9 digits are there. Concept 2. If this question is asked to my students, method 2. This is something which I discussed in speed calculation. Assume you forgot this concept. Assume you forgot this concept. Assume you forgot this concept. Suppose, write number of digits. Please make a note of this concept. Number of digits in a perfect square. You don't need to find the answer and count the number of digits. Right? He is just asking the number of digits. He is not asking you the answer for or the value of n. He is asking how many digits n will take. Number of digits in a perfect square. Number of digits in a perfect square. This is something which I generally discuss in speed calculation. Suppose see here, 3 examples I will solve. square root of 7744. If the number given is a perfect square, how many digits are there in the answer? How many digits are there in the answer? How many digits are there in the answer? If it is a perfect square, start from the right side. Keep a slash after every 2 digits. Keep a slash after every 2 digits. How many groups of 2 digits are there? 44 is one group, so 1 slash. 77 is a group of 2 digits. Keep an another slash. So answer contain 2 digits. Answer contain 2 digits. If you want the number of digits, in a perfect square, start from the rightmost. Keep a slash after every 2 digits. Keep a slash after every 2 digits. How many groups of 2 digits are there? How many groups of 2 digits are there? That many digits will be there in the answer. This is the first example. Suppose if the second example, square root of 10201. Square root of 10201. What will be the answer for square root of 10201? Since we are discussing the number of digits in a perfect square, start from the rightmost. Keep a slash after every 2 digits. Keep a slash after every 2 digits. 1 is a single digit, so I can write prefix 0. I can prefix 0. 01 is a group of 2 digits. So answer will be 1. 02 is another group of 2 digits. 01 is another group of 2 digits. That means answer will have how many digits? Answer will have 3 digits. Answer will have 3 digits. I hope the idea it is very much clear. If the given question is a perfect square and he is asking the number of digits, start from rightmost, move from right to left, keep a slash after every 2 digits. Keep a slash after every 2 digits. How many groups of 2 digits are there? That many digits will be there in the right hand side. Now, what is asked in the question? Square root of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. These asked, right? Assume you forgot this concept. Not always when you are writing the examination, suddenly the logic will strike. So, if you know these alternative logic, not only in this kind of number, complicated perfect squares also, you can do it. What is the logic that we discussed? How to find out the number of digits? Keep a slash after every 2 digits. 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 How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Answer will be 9 digits. Answer will be 9 digits. Is the logic clear? This is how you should solve a question based on number of digits in a perfect square. Number of digits in a perfect square. This is the logic that you should use. Sir, assume instead of question n square, if it is n cube equivalent to some other value is given. Number of digits, underline this point, sir. Number of digits in a perfect square means keep a slash after every 2 digits. Continue from right to left. If it is a perfect cube, keep a slash after every 3 digits. Continue from right to left. If it is fourth power, continue, start from right. Keep a slash after every 4 digits. Continue from left to right. Perfect square means take a group of 2 digits. Perfect cube means take a group of 3 digits. Fourth power means take a group of n digits. I hope the logic it is clear. If it is clear, kindly reply with an yes. Kindly reply with an yes. Very interesting concepts we are going to discuss right now, sir. Very, very interesting concept. Very, very interesting concepts. I hope the concept it is clear. This is how you will find the number of digits. This is method 1 is almost everybody will solve. Keeping in mind this logic is very relatively simple. Assume you are a non-max student and during the tense atmosphere you forgot it. So you can go ahead with the number of digits in a perfect square. Idea clear? I hope the concept is clear. This question is the easiest question you should have must solve. Right? Now see here. Consider the first 100 natural numbers. Always remember, sir, if you understand the question, half of the problem is solved. First thing it is, you need to understand the question. Consider the first 100 natural numbers. He is asking us to consider first 100 natural numbers. Let me put it in a set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to 98, 99, 100. 98, 99, 100. Input set is to first 100 natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to 98, 99, 100. Now there is a condition that is given. How many of them are not divisible by any of 2, 3, 5, 7 and 9? In these numbers, we want the numbers which are not divisible by 2, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Which are not divisible by 2, 3, 5 and 7. Simple thing, assume you are a non-max student. We will go it with a simple counting process. After few numbers, you will understand the process. 1 will divide every number, but 2 will not divide 1. 3 will not divide 1. 1 will divide 3. 3 will not divide 1. 5 will not divide 1. 7 will not divide 1. 9 will not divide 1. So 1 will be there in the answer. 2 is divisible by 2. 3 is divisible by 2. 4 is divisible by 2. 5 is divisible by 2. 6 is divisible by 2. 7 is divisible by 7. 8 is divisible by 2. 9 is divisible by 2. 10 is divisible by 2 and 5. 11 is not divisible. 11 is not divisible. 12 is divisible by 2 and 3. 13 is not divisible. One more number we will take. 14 is divisible by 2 and 7. 15 is divisible by 5 and 3. 16 is divisible by 2. 17 it is. Now if you see 11, 13, 17. 11, 13, 17. What are all these numbers? These are all prime numbers. These are all prime numbers. Take some composite number that comes into your mind. Sir, I am taking 21. It is divisible by 3. Sir, I am taking 25. It is divisible by 5. Sir, I am taking 33. It is divisible by 3. Sir, I am taking 45. It is divisible by 9. Sir, I am taking 95. It is divisible by 5. Sir, I am taking 90. It is divisible by 5. That means 1 and all the prime numbers till 100. 1 and all the prime numbers till 100. Sir, counting it will take some time. It will not take some time. In prime numbers, there is one concept. In prime numbers, there is one concept. From 1 to 100, there are 25 prime numbers. From 1 to 100, there are 25 prime numbers. 25 prime numbers. What are that prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and so on. And so on. So, from where we should start? 11. That means these 4 should be eliminated. That means out of 25, we should start from 11. That means remaining 21 prime numbers are there. Remaining 21 prime numbers are there. And there is one more number which is neither prime nor composite. That also we need to add 1 plus 21. 1 plus 21. Answer for this question is 22. Answer for this question is 22. I hope the concept it is very much clear, right? Some of the students, what I will do is, out of 100 not divisible by 2, so I will take all odd numbers. Then again, how many are not divisible by 3? I will again take all the multiples of 3. That's a very complicated, lengthy process. I can use Euler theorem, but I don't want to use a heavy formulae based learning, especially non-math students also will watch. Simple observation, right? Input is, again second time I am repeating it, in case if any problem is not clear to you, I would recommend you to watch the video again at a slower speed, so that you will understand the hidden concept, right? First, what I did, I considered the first 100 natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to 100. That is the input present in the question. How many are not divisible by 2, 3, 5, 7 and 9? I want numbers which are not divisible by 2, 3, 5, 7 and 9. For my easy understanding, I started deleting the numbers, simple with counting. 1, 2 will not divide 1, 1 will divide 2. So 1 is written, 2 is divisible by 2, 3 is divisible by 3, 4 is divisible by 2, 5 is divisible by 5, 6 is divisible by 2 and 3, 7 is divisible by 7, 8 is divisible by 2, 9 is divisible by 3, 10 is divisible by 5, 11 is not divisible by any of the numbers, 12 is divisible by 2 and 3, 13 is not divisible, 17 is not divisible. Then I started understanding that I am getting all prime numbers from 11, 13, 17, 19. For my own convincing thing, I took some composite numbers to check it out. 90 is divisible by 2, right? 95 is divisible by 5. 77 is divisible by 7. Are you all with me? I am convinced that I am getting all the prime numbers from 11, 13, 17. Till 100 I need to count it. Instead of counting it, in prime number basics, there is a concept. From 1 to 100, there are 25 prime numbers. What are that prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and so on. 2, 3, it is starting from 11. So these 4 numbers I deleted. That means others it is 11. That means out of 25, 4 numbers are deleted. Remaining 21. Here one number it is there. 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 plus 21. Total answer for this question is 22. I hope the idea it is very much clear. Very, very good question. Sir, is it an easy question? No, it is a moderate level question. These a little time consuming question. This is something which you should not solve it in the first 15 to 20 minutes. Little counting related question it is. This question is based on counting. This question is based on counting. Anything related to counting, please take a little time. This is an algebra question. This is an algebra question from the topic maxima and minima. Algebra topic, easy question it is. Algebra question, maxima and minima. Maxima and minima. Please read the question first. There is a variable given x, lower limit is given, upper limit is given. 4 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to 8. 4 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to 8. Now, if you observe carefully here, that means 4 less than or equivalent to x means x is greater than or equivalent to 4. X is greater than or equivalent to 4. From 4, it is taking off. That means x minimum, it is 4. From 4, it is taking off. That is the meaning. Nothing is specified about x and y. They can be integers, they can be rational numbers, they can be natural numbers, anything. Only thing which I know is 4 less than or equivalent to x. That means x is greater than or equivalent to 4. That means x is starting with value 4 and taking off. What are the other values? That is something which is irrelevant here. Here it is x is less than or equivalent to 8. That means x is stopping at 8. X is stopping at 8. This is something which should be very much clear to you. X minimum it is 4 and x maximum it is 8. This is the meaning of this inequality expression. 4 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to 8 means x minimum value is 4 and x maximum value it is 8. X maximum value it is 8. I hope this statement is clear. Similarly, 2 less than or equivalent to y less than or equivalent to 7. 2 less than or equivalent to y less than or equivalent to 7. 2 less than or equivalent to y means y greater than or equivalent to 2. When I say y greater than or equivalent to 2, y minimum it is 2. Y minimum it is 2. Y less than or equivalent to 7 is, it is stopping at value 7. Y maximum it is 7. Y maximum it is 7. Y minimum it is 2 and y maximum it is 7. That means based on these two inequalities, what I got? X minimum I got, x maximum I got. Right? Y minimum I got, y maximum I got. So that condition I understood it very, very clearly. Then what is the question? Question is, what is the maximum value of x plus y maximum to x minus y minimum? X minus y minimum. This is a good question. Listen carefully. There is a chance that you might commit a silly mistake. X plus y maximum by x minus y minimum. When will be x plus y be maximum? When x is maximum and y is maximum. X is maximum and y is maximum. X minus y minimum. That means x will be minimum. Since it is minus sign associated with y, y has to be maximum. Y has to be maximum. A minus b minimum means A will be minimum, B will be maximum. Why? Before that there is a minus sign attached. There is a minus sign attached. X maximum value we know it as 8. Y maximum value we know it as 7. X minimum value we know it as 4. Y maximum value we know it as 7. 15 by minus 3. 15 by minus 3 is minus 5. This is where you might commit a silly mistake. X minus y minimum. X minus y minimum. If it is, see here, plus means this is maximum, this is maximum. Because there is a minus sign before, y has to be maximum. Y has to be maximum. Y has to be maximum. This is an easy question. Only in this step, you might take y minimum and get an incorrect answer. This is a very easy question. This is a very easy question. Minus 5 is not there in any of the answer option. So answer for this question is none of the above. Answer for this question is none of these above. I hope this point is very much clear. Before there is minus sign, so y should be maximum. 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 Similar question, just 1 hour before, I took a live class with heading classification of numbers. Just 1 hour before, same model question in Telugu, I explained it. Same model question. And the same question also we discussed it in our live classes. Same question, same variety, just that prime number less than 30 it is there. The question is prime number less than 20. Go back and see the latest live class on Telugu. Same similar question you will find it. Please read the question. Let both P and K be prime numbers. First we will understand the question. P comma K are prime numbers. P comma K are prime numbers. P comma K are prime numbers such that P square plus K, such that P square plus K, answer is also a prime number. Answer is also a prime number less than 30. Answer is also a prime number less than 30. What I will do is, P comma K, it is a prime number, right sir? First I will list all prime numbers for my convenience. I will list all the prime numbers less than 30 at the top. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. 23, 29. P can take any of these prime numbers, K can take any of these prime numbers. P and K are two prime numbers. P and K are two prime numbers. P square plus K, it is a prime number less than 30. Think logically, we will go step by step. Step number 1. P cannot be greater than or equivalent to 7. P cannot be greater than or equivalent to 7. Why sir? It will be 7 square is 49. 49 plus prime number, it is a natural number. 49 plus positive. Answer will be greater than 49. But the question it is less than 30, not possible. That means P should not take any value greater than or equivalent to 7. P should not take any value greater than or equivalent to 7. Step 1, I hope it is clear. That means from this case, none of the values from 7 onwards, P will not take any value. P will not take any value. Step 2. Step 2. Let me take just less than 7, 5. So this will be 25 plus K. 25 plus K, it should be a prime number. It should be a prime number less than 30. K, let us take 2. 25 plus 2, 27. 27, 25 plus 2, 27, it is a composite number. Next one, 25 plus 3, 28, it is also a composite number. 25 plus 5, it is a 30. 30 is not less than 30. That means this case also not possible. This case also not possible. We are going just step by step, sir. Step number 3. Step number 3. P is equivalent to 3. Step number 3. P is equivalent to 3. P square 9 plus K, it is a prime number less than 30. Top, that is the reason I wrote, so that it will be convenient for us. 9 plus 2, 11. Yes, it is a prime number. 9 plus 3, 12. No. 9 plus 5, 14. No. 9 plus 7, 16. Right? It is no. 9 plus 11, 9 plus. See, these are all odd numbers, sir. 9 is an odd number. Odd plus odd, even number. There is no prime number other than 2, which is an even prime number. Other than 2, there is no even prime number. Step number 4. Step number 4. P is equivalent to 2. That means 2 square plus K, 4 plus K, it is a prime number less than 30. 4 plus K, it is a prime number less than 30. 4 plus 2, 6, no. That means K can be 3. 4 plus 5, 9, no. 4 plus 7, 11, right? Yes. 4 plus 11, 15, no. 4 plus 13, 17, yes. 4 plus 17, 21, it is a composite number, no. 4 plus 19, 23, yes. 4 plus 23, 27, no. 4 plus 29, it is 33. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many values we got? 1, 2, 3, 4 values. Here one more value. 5 values we got. 5 values we got. it is a calculation, right? It is also a moderate to difficult problem. Moderate to difficult problem, little counting calculation based it is. These also you should not solve at the beginning of your right exam time. This should be taken in the second innings. Easy question, but it takes a little time to solve the question, little more time to solve the question. Multiple cases are there. Anything which involves cases, please avoid it. Anything which involves cases, please avoid it. Let me see if there are any easy questions that can be done right. First we will solve all the easy questions, right, which can be solved in less than 1 minute, right? Now see, easiest question it is. This is an easiest question based on reminders. It's an easiest question based on reminders. Easiest question based on reminders. This hardly will take less than 10 seconds to solve the question. Let me solve a few questions which can be solved in less than 10 to 20 seconds, right? These are the questions which you must solve in your examination. A 4-digit number, n is a 4-digit number. This number is divided by 3. Positive remainder it is 1. Number is divided by 5. Positive remainder it is 3. Number is divided by 6. Positive remainder it is 4. Number is divided by 9. Positive remainder it is 7. This is the case of a right remainder concept where the negative remainder it is same. Where the negative remainder it is same. Right? Suppose a number is divided by 3. Positive remainder it is 1. That means the negative remainder will be 1 minus 3 minus 2. 3 minus 5 minus 2. 4 minus 6 minus 2. 7 minus 2 minus 2. I hope the concept it is clear. How to get the positive to negative remainder? Example. 13 when divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. Positive remainder it is plus 3. One example. 13 when divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. Positive remainder it is plus 3. Negative remainder. 5 3s are 15. 13 is 2 less than 15. It is minus 2. Remainder when 13 is divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. Positive remainder it is 3. Negative remainder it is minus 2. How you got minus 2? Subtract it from the denominator. Subtract it from the denominator. Through this example you should understand this. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. To convert positive remainder to negative remainder, subtract it from the denominator. Positive remainder to negative remainder, subtract it from the denominator. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. 7 minus 9 is minus 2. All the cases, negative remainder it is same. All the case, negative remainder it is same. All the cases, negative remainder it is same. So a number is divided by 3 5 6 9. What is the number that is divided by 3 5 6 9? LCM of 3 5 6 9. In all the cases, negative remainder is minus 2. In all the cases, negative remainder is minus 2. This number is divisible by 9. Any number divisible by 9, digital sum will be 9. 9 minus 2. Answer digital sum should be 7. Answer digital sum should be 7. Any number which is a multiple of 9, answer digital sum is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. Answer digital sum should be 7. Answer digital sum should be 7. Answer digital sum should be 7. 1078. This is a question which you must solve within less than 10 seconds when the negative reminders are same. A number is divided by multiple numbers, positive reminders are same, negative reminders are same. 1 minus 3 is minus 2, 3 minus 5 is minus 2, 4 minus 6 is minus 2, 7 minus 9 is minus 2. Negative reminders are same. LCM of 3569k minus 2. 9 into any number. You multiply any number with 9. Answer digital sum will be 9. 9 minus 2. Answer digital sum will be right 7. The only option where the digital sum is 7 is option number C. Easy question. You should have solved this question. What is the unit digit? This is the easiest question. This is the easiest question. Probably it takes less than 5 seconds to solve this question. Simple concept, one-liner question. You should not leave this kind of question. Question is 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 and so on up to 999. If you observe, 5 into all are odd numbers. 1 into 3 into 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. 5 into odd number. Remaining all are odd numbers. 5 into odd numbers. Unit digit is always 5. Simple. One-liner question. 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 15. 5 fives are 5 into even number. Unit digit will be 0. 5 into odd number. Unit digit will be 5. Answer unit digit it is 5. Simple things are, why even if you do not know, 5 into any number. 5 into any number, how I will get 9, 3 and 1, sir? 5 into any number, either unit digit will be 0 or 5. 0 is not present. Obviously, it has to be 5. Common sense should tell you this, right? 5 into any number. Take some numbers multiplied by 5. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 multiplied by any number, answer unit digit will be 0 or 5. Right? How come I will get 1, 3 or 9? So, therefore, the answer for this question is 5. I hope it is clear here. Till now, any doubts are there mentioned? Right? I will just have a glass of water. Then we will solve some other very interesting problems. Kindly reply if everything it is clear. Is the idea clear? Everybody kindly reply. Any doubts are there? I am looking at your doubts. Kindly reply. You have any doubts? Kindly ask me. All clear? Right. I hope this concept it is very much clear. Just by looking at the question, you can solve this question. Easy questions which we will solve. Easy any. This is also an easiest question. These also should take less than 10 seconds to solve the question. I am first solving all easy questions, sir. Easiest question, less than 10 seconds. Please read the question, sir. Find the remainder 1. 9 cube plus 9 power 4 plus 9 power 5 plus 9 power 6 and so on up to 9 power 100 divided by 6. 6 can be written as 3 into 2. 6 can be written as 3 into 2. Why I am writing 6 as 3 into 2? My job will be very much easy. 9 is divisible by 3, divisible by 3, divisible by 3, divisible by 3. With 3, remainder it is 0. With 3, remainder it is 0. So, with 2, how many numbers are there? 9 power 3, 9 power 4, 9 power 100. Total 98 numbers are there. 98 numbers are there. 98 odd numbers if I add, I will get an even number. Odd plus odd, even. Odd plus odd, even. 3 with 9 power 3 plus 9 power 4, even. 9 power 5 plus 9 power 6, even. 3 with 4, 3 with 4, 9 power 3, 9 power 4, sum is even. 9 power 5 plus 9 power 6, sum is even. 9 power 99 plus 9 power 100, even. Even. All are divisible by 2. Even numerator, it is an even number, sir. Odd plus odd, odd plus odd, odd, and so on up to odd plus odd. Numerator, it is an even number. Even number is perfectly divisible by 2. This is divisible by 3. This is divisible by 2. So answer for this question is 0. Answer for this question is 0. I hope the idea it is very much clear. Answer for this question has to be option A. When you write 6 as 3 into 2, numerator, every term is divisible by 3. Every term is divisible by 3. Numerator, it is an even number. So, even number is always divisible by 2. Even number is always divisible by 2. Even number, it is always divisible by 2. 2 arithmetic questions are there. Okay, we will solve one more reminder question, then we will solve 2 arithmetic question. If n is a natural number, what is the number of distinct reminders you will get when 1 power n plus 2 power n is divided by 4? 1 power n plus 2 power n when divided by 4. What is given in the question? N is a natural number. Use these concepts. If I put n equivalent to 1, this will become 1 power 1 plus 2 power 1 divided by 4. 1 plus 2, it is 3. One reminder we got. If n equivalent to 2, reminder it is 1 square plus 2 square divided by 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 by 4, reminder it is 1. If n equivalent to 3, I will get 1 power 3 plus 2 power 3 divided by 4. 8 plus 1, 9. I am getting reminder 1. If n equivalent to 4, it will become 1 power 4 plus 2 power 4 divided by 4. Here it is 1. From n equivalent to 2 onwards, 2 square, it is divisible by 4. 2 cube, it is divisible by 4. 2 power 4, it is divisible by 4. From n greater than or equivalent to 2 onwards, this complete 2 power, it is divisible by 4. So always I will get reminders, 1 only. So possible reminders are 3 and 1. Possible reminders are 3 and 1. Possible reminders are 1 and 3. How many reminders are possible? 2 reminders are possible. Possible reminders are 3 and 1. I hope the idea it is clear, right? 2, I think I have seen a lot of number system questions, sir, in the CSAT paper. Any other question is there? These also a number system question. P is equivalent to Q, Q, Q. This is a very, very important concept, sir, right? Q, Q means it is a 111, it is a 222, it is a 333, it is a 444, and so on up to it is a 999. If you observe carefully, 111, it is 37 into 3. It is divisible by 37. Why? Because 222 is 2 into 111. 333 is 3 into 111. 444 is 4 into 111. 999 is 9 into 111. That means all these numbers are divisible by 37. All these numbers are divisible by 37. What is the question that he is asking? HCF of P comma 481. HCF question. HCF of P comma 481 he is asking. So HCF of 37 comma 481. Is 37 dividing 481? See, 37 ones are 37. 111. 37 threes are, yes. This is divisible by 37. So answer for this question is 37. Answer for this question is 37. Answer for this question is 37. Even by using options also, when will be answer be 1? When two numbers are co-prime to each other. They are not co-prime to each other. They got a common factor 37. 1 is out. 37 is not divisible by 13. For the answer to become 13 in HCF, both the numbers should be divisible by 13. Not possible. When you are doing HCF, you will always take the smallest number or its factors. You will always take the smallest number or its factors. Smallest number or its factors. How come 481 will be answer? If you are good in your HCF concepts, you will get the answer very, very fast. Only thing you should know is Q, it is divisible by 37. Q, it is divisible by 37. 111 is 37 into 3. 222 is 37 into 6. 999 is 37 into 27. Q, it is divisible by 37. HCF of 37 comma 481. HCF means take the smallest number 37. Check it out whether 481 is divisible by 37. 37 ones are 37. 37 threes are 111. Both are divisible by 37. So answer for this question is 37. I hope it is clear. I think this year lot of questions came from number system also. What is the 489th digit? This kind of models we discussed in our regular class, right? What is the 489th digit? When you are writing the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, they are single digits. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 19, 9, they are 2 digits. 100, 101, 102, 103, they are all 3-digit numbers. When you are writing from single digits, 2 digits, 3 digits like this, what will be the 489th digit? 489th digit. There is an algorithm to solve this kind of questions. First, from 1 to 9, there are 9 numbers. Each number it is a single digit. Total 9 digits are written. 1 to 9, there are 9 numbers. Each number single digit. Each number single digit. Then it is 10 to 99. 10 to 99. Here one concept. Number of numbers. Here one concept. Number of numbers from A to B. From A to B. It is B minus A plus 1. Number of numbers from A to B. It is B minus A plus 1. From 3 to 7 if I require 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 numbers. 7 minus 3 plus 1. So, number of numbers are 99 minus 10. 89 plus 1. 90 numbers are there. Each number it is 2 digits. 90 into 2. 180 digits. 180 digits. Total 180 digits. If I write next 100 to 999. If I write it next 100 to 999. Total 900 numbers. Each number 3 digits. 2700 it is getting into. But what I require? 489. What I require? 489. So I will not write from 100 to 999. First I counted single digit. 1 to 9, 9 numbers. Each number single digit. 10 to 99, 90 numbers. each number 2 digits. Now, total how many digits are over? 189 digits are over. 189 digits are over. Which digit we require? 489th digit we require. Minus 189. That means 300 more digits I have to write. 300 more digits I have to write. Till here, is everything clear to you? 1 to 9, 9 digits. 10 to 99, 90 numbers. Each number it is 2 digits. 180. 180 plus 9 is 189. 489 minus 189 is 300 digits. After 99, what it is? 100. Next it is 101. Next it is 102. Next it is 103, and so on. And so on. Right? I hope it is clear. Right? After 99, each group. That means after 99, 100, 100 plus 1, right? Total 300 digits are there. That means 3 into 100 plus 0. That means 100th group. I will get the 300 digits. Why I wrote 3 into 100? After 99, 100, 101, 102, and so on. That is an every number with 3 digits. Every number with 3 digits. Therefore, I wrote it as 3 into 100. This is 100th group, sir. First group is 100 plus 0. Second group is 100 plus 1. Third group is 100 plus 2. Fourth group is 100 plus 3. 100th group will be 100 plus 99. First group is 100 plus 0. Second group is 100 plus 1. Second it is 100 plus 1. Third it is 100 plus 2. Fourth it is 100 plus 3. 100th group is 100 plus 99. No more digit needs to be written. So answer for this question is 9. Answer for this question is 9. I hope the idea it is very much clear. Very important model. I am again repeating this model. First single digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 numbers are there. Every number it is a single digit. 9 ones are 9. 10 to 99. Number of numbers from A to B is B minus A plus 1. Total 90 numbers are there. Every number it is 2 digits. 90 into 2 is 180. Total 189 digits I already wrote. I need 489th digit. 489 minus 189 is 300 digits I have to write. I wrote till 99. Next it is 100, 101, 102, 103, and so on. Every number is a group of 3 digits. Every number is a group of 3 digits. How many more digits I have to write? 300 more. 300 it is. 3 into 100 plus 0. Why I divided by 3? After 99, every number is a group of 3 digits. 3 into 100. This is 100th group. First group is 100 plus 0. Second group is 100 plus 1. Third group is 100 plus 2. 100th group will be 100 plus 99. 199. No more digit should be written. So, stop at 99. Stop at 99. I hope the idea it is very much clear. Two concepts which you require, sir. Number of numbers from A to B is B minus A plus 1. B minus A plus 1. 32nd also number system. 31st also number system. 30th also number system. Right. See this question. It is based on pipes and cisterns. This is based on pipes and cisterns. Please read the question, sir. We will go very slowly. For me, reading the question is as important as Solving the question. A set X of 20 pipes. 20 pipes are there which belong to a company X. 20 pipes of set X can fill 70% tank in 14 minutes. 70% 14 minutes. Total tank filling it is in 100 minutes. That means it will take 20 minutes. 20 pipes of set X can fill the tank in 20 minutes. Is this first line clear? Yes. Another set Y of 10 pipes. Another company, Y company, 10 pipes are there. 10 pipes of set Y can fill 3/8 tank in 6 minutes. That means total portion is 8. I filled only 3. 3 is becoming 6. 3 2s are 6. 8 2s are 16. That means 10 pipes of set Y can fill the tank in 16 minutes. 10 pipes of right set Y can fill the tank in 16 minutes. I am just going line by line. A third set of 16 pipes can empty the tank. Third pipe, it is emptying the tank. Filling the tank, I am doing addition. Emptying the tank is negative work, so I am doing subtraction. Third pipe of 16 pipes, okay. 16 pipes of company Z can empty half of the tank in 20 minutes. Half the tank in 20 minutes. Total 2 parts. One part is giving you 20. 2 parts will give you 40. 40 minutes. That means Z is emptying the tank. Z is emptying the tank. X is filling the tank. Y is filling the tank. I just read the statement. I converted into mathematical expression. Now let us read the question. Here onwards the question is starting. If half the pipes of set X are closed, half the pipes are closed, out of 20 pipes, 10 pipes are closed. That means another 10 pipes are opened. 20 pipes can fill the tank in 20 minutes. 10 pipes means it will take more time. Suppose there is a bucket. You keep more pipes, right? Bucket will be full. You keep only one pipe, the bucket filling will take more time. 20 pipes, if they are filling the tank in 20 minutes, half of them are closed. That means 10 pipes are closed. Remaining 10 pipes will take double the time, 40 minutes. Next. And half of the pipes of set Y are open. Set Y also, it is for X. Set Y also, it is open. 10 pipes means half of them, 5 pipes. If less number of pipes are there, it will take more time. Half the pipes are closed, so remaining half are working. So that is the reason 16 is becoming 32. And all pipes of Z, all pipes are working. 16 pipes, it is emptying the tank. So it is minus 40. Now X, 3 pipe, X company pipe I kept, Y company pipe I kept, Z company pipe I kept. 40 minus 40, it is cancelled. Total tank, entire tank can be filled in 32 minutes. How long it will take to fill? 50% of the tank. 100% of the tank can be filled in 32 minutes. 50% of the tank can be filled in 16 minutes. Such an easy question. Looks like a very lengthy question, but actually it's a very easy question, right? X is filling the tank, Y is filling the tank, Z is emptying the tank. If you have little patience and read this question, you can solve this question very, very fast. Very, very fast. Now let us read this question. Please read this question. This question is based on time and work. Solution. Let us read this question. I have also not seen any of the question. I just told my team to prepare the digital board and I am solving parallelly with you, sir. X can complete 1/3 of the certain work. X can complete 1/3 work in 6 days. 1/3 work in 6 days means in 18 days the total work will be completed. First point clear, right? X can complete 1/3 work in 6 days. Y can complete 1/3 of the same work. Y can complete 1/3 of the same work in 8 days. 1/3 of the same work in 8 days. That means Y can complete the work in 24 days. Y can complete the work in 24 days. Z can complete 3/4 of the work. Z can complete the work in 3/4 of the work in 12 days. Out of 4 units, 3 units are completed. 3 is completed in 12 days. 4 will be completed in 16 days. 16 days. X can complete the work in 18 days. Y can complete the work in 24 days. Z can complete the work in 16 days. Z can complete the work in 16 days. Let us assume total work is LCM of total work is LCM of 18, 24, 60. 18, 24, 60, which is 144 units. 144 units. 24 6 are 18, 24, 16, right? 6 3s are 6 4s are, right? So 6 into 12, 12 and 16, 12 and 16 also take LCM, you will get 144. That means 18 days, 144 units. X will take 8 units per day. Y will take 6 units per day. Z will take 9 units per day. Till here, I am sure everybody it is clear. X will take 8 units per day. Y will take 6 units per day. Z will take 9 units per day. What is the question, sir? All of them work together for n days. All of them are working. X plus Y plus Z. All of them are working for n days. N days. And then X and Z quit. XZ has quit the work. And Y finishes the remaining work. Y finishes the remaining work in 28 2/3 days, which is 26/3 days. 1 day, Y will do how much? 6 units. That means 26/3 into 6, 52 units. Y alone will do. 52 units. Y alone will do. Total work is 144 units. After X and Z left the show, Y did 52 units. That means these all have done 144 minus 52, 92 units. 92 units. Per day they will do 8. Per day X will do 8 units, Y will do 6 units, Z will do 9 units. 8 plus 6, 14 plus 9, 23. So in 1 day, X plus Y plus Z will do 23 units, but I want 92 units. That means n value it is 4. Such an easy question. Such an easy question. There is no complication, right? X can complete 1/3 work in 6 days. That means X will do 18 days. Y will do 1/3 work in 8 days. Y will do 24 days. Z will do 3/4 work in 12 days. That means Z will do 16 days. Let the work done be the LCM of 18, 24, 16, which is 144 units. X will do 8 units per day. Y will do 6 units per day, Z will do 9 units per day. X, Y, Z, all of them started working. After some days, X, Z left. Y only worked for 8 2/3 days, which is 26/3 days. Y in one day he will do 6 units per day, 26/3 into 6, which is 52 units. So Y alone did 52 units. That means out of 144, 52 over, remaining is 92 units. Who all did these 92 units? X and Y and Z. In one day they will do 23 units. To do 92 units for. Nothing is difficult. Time and work question is also easy. Pipes and cisterns question is also easy. Pipes and cisterns question is also easy. Let us see this question. It is a data sufficiency question. Consider the following statements. Let me consider statement 1. Statement 1. There exists a natural number. Let the natural number be n, which when increased by 50%, I increased it by 50%. That means I got 3n by 2. N plus half of n is 3n by 2. So if I take n as 2, here I got n after 50% increase, it is 3. There exists a natural number which when increased by 50% can have its number of factors unchanged. 2 factors are 1 and 2. I got 2 factors for 2. If I increased, I got 3, 1 and 3. I got 2 factors for 3. Number of factors got unchanged. Yes. So there exists a natural number. Yes, there exists a natural number. And the value of that natural number is 2. Statement 1 is right. Statement 2. There exists a natural number, let me take it as n, which when increased by 150%, n plus 150% of n, it is n plus 3 by 2, 5n by 2. 5n by 2 can have its number of factors unchanged. If I take n again as 2, here n will be 5. The factors of 2 are 1 and 2. The factors of 5 are 1 and 5. Again it is unchanged. Because here I got a prime number, here I got a prime number. Here I got a prime number, here I got a prime number. That means in both the cases, number of factors remain unchanged. Both 1 and 2. Both 1 and 2. Right? We will solve 1 or 2 more problems. The difference between any two natural numbers is 10. n1 minus n2. It is 10. Two natural numbers I took it as difference 10. n1 minus n2, it is 10. What can be said about the natural numbers which are divisible by 5 and lies between these two numbers? Take any two numbers, difference it is 10. Let me take 21 minus 11 as 10. Let me take 13 minus 3 as 10. Let me take 31 minus 21 as 10. Any two numbers take. 21, read the question. What can be said about the numbers which are divisible by 5 and lie between these two numbers? Between 11 and 21, which are the numbers which are divisible by 5? 15 and 20. Both are divisible by 5. I got two numbers which are divisible by 5. I got two numbers which are divisible by 5. 3 and 13. I got 5 and 10. Both are divisible by 5. Both are divisible by 5. 31 and 21. I got 25 and 30. Both the numbers are divisible by 5. Both the numbers are divisible by 5. Suppose if I take 18 minus 10, sorry, 18 minus 8, it is 10. 18 minus 10, 18 minus 8, 10. Which all numbers I got? 10 and 15, two numbers I got. I am taking some examples where two numbers are divisible. Let me take, suppose for example, 12 minus, suppose 11 minus n1 minus n2, it is 10. Let me take some numbers where there is only two numbers we got in all the cases, 5 and 10, 5 and 10. Let me take, suppose for example, 14 minus 4. 14 minus 4 is 10. Again we got two numbers, 5 comma 10. 5 comma 10. Suppose what will take, exists two natural numbers, right? Suppose for example, 12 minus 2. 12 minus 2, again we will get 10. We will get 5 comma 10. 5 comma 10. Suppose what we will do is 13 minus 3. 17 minus. I require one number. Suppose between one number there is only one such number. I am getting 2 in all the cases. I am checking the possibility where there is only one number possibility. 15 minus 5, it is 10. The number possible here in between, it is 10. That means here there is one possibility, here there is two possibilities. That means answer for this question is, there can be more than one such number. There can be more than one such number. I took both the numbers as a divisible by 5. Suppose 25 minus 15 equivalent to 10. What is the number between 25 and 15? 20. That means between here one number case I got two number cases. Between one number cases and two number cases. Therefore, answer for it is, right, two cases are there. Are you all with me? If x is a real number between 0 and 1, x lies between 0 and 1, which of the following statements are right? X square is greater than x cube. Let me take some value which lies from 0 to 1. X equivalent to 1 by 2. 1 by 4 greater than 1 by 8. 8 greater than 4, right? Next one, second one. 1 by 2 greater than 1 by root 2. Root 2 greater than 2. Root 2 is 1.4, is not greater than 2. Only statement 1 only it is right. Statement 1 only it is right. You take any value from 0 to 1 and check it out which condition is satisfied. There are few more questions are there which we will cover it up in the tomorrow. In the next 1 hour we should be able to solve some 5 to 6 questions, right, which we will solve it tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed. I think none of the questions I faced a problem, and I am looking at the questions for the first time. Each and every question is driven by a concept. Once you are comfortable with concept, you can solve the questions. Another 8 to 10 questions are there. Another 45 minutes extra session. Consider this session as part 1. I will take part 2 session and I will complete the remaining pending questions. I hope you enjoyed the session. In case if you want to learn maths from me from basic level to advanced level for all competitive examination, this is the course that you should purchase, right? Probably right now the most highly sold course is this course. In case if you are preparing for CAT examination, this is the course. In case if you are preparing for any examination where arithmetic, reasoning and pure maths if you want, you can go for a combo 3-in-1 course. I hope you enjoyed the CSAT part 1 session, right? Kindly rewatch the video in case if you are facing session anywhere. We will again meet in the next session.